Visionaries are here to change the game, not to merely survive it, but to dismantle and rebuild it from a higher consciousness, a place where your unique gifts and vision break open the boundaries of old paradigms. Here's the thing. The illusion doesn't like to be disrupted. It won't go quietly. This dream we call reality in the third dimension is a carefully crafted stage. The props, the objects, structures, and even the societal norms are held together by the collective energy of belief. Everything we experience here is impermanent, yet the senses deceive us into clinging to it as if it's the only truth. But you, dear visionary friend, you knew better. You knew better before you even arrived here. You understood, even as you passed through the veil of forgetting, that you are not your body or your circumstances. You are not even your mind. You are sovereign divinity, a fractal of infinite consciousness, choosing to temporarily experience humanity. Yet here you are, immersed in the illusion, learning to remember. The veil is thinning. If you've been paying attention, you've noticed something profound. The rules of the game are shifting. What once felt fixed and unshakable, belief in separation, limitation, and scarcity, now feels a little more malleable, fragile even. The veil that made us forget our true nature is losing its grip. This isn't just an individual awakening. It's collective. It's you and me, and countless others remembering the truth. That illusion only exists because we give it power. And what gives it power? Our attention. Take a simple object, like the chair you're sitting on, for instance, the floor you're standing on, the bed you're sleeping on. These only exist because we believe it does, because we've poured our consciousness into the shared agreement that chairs are real, beds are real, the floor is real. Now expand that to every structure, every system, every outdated belief holding humanity back. They persist because we let them, because we keep our attention on them. But here's the secret no one told you. You can use the illusion to transcend it. You can use the illusion to transcend it. Reclaiming the creative power of consciousness. The same consciousness that props up this simulation, this false matrix, is the force that can unmake it. This is the cosmic law of creation, the law of reversibility. What consciousness builds, consciousness can dismantle. What attention builds, attention can dismantle. So how do we begin? By challenging the fear-laden thought forms that have been programmed into us. I don't matter. I can't make a difference. The world is too broken to change. None of these are real, and yet they take up valuable energetic real estate in our brains. But they're artifacts. They're artifacts of a system designed to keep you small, a function of the small, false you. An impermanent version of you. And yet, you are the creator of your reality. You have the power to overwrite them. The shift happens when you replace fear with love. When you replace lack with abundance. When you replace doubt with unshakable trust, unflinching faith in your divine sovereignty. The paradox of being human. Here's the kicker. To transcend the illusion, you must first fully embody your humanity. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But think about it. You can't rewrite the game until you've mastered your current level. That means celebrating your individuality, your quirks, your passions, everything that makes you, you. Why? Because sovereignty starts with self-possession, owning yourself completely, rejecting no parts of self. To reject the pre-existing paradigms of power, lack, and control, you must first own and love completely who you are. Only then can you say no to the limitations imposed by this illusion and fully anchor into the organic ascension timeline, a path that leads to unity consciousness and the highest good for all. Choose your timeline. We are living in a pivotal moment, surrounded by the competing frequencies of false timelines and the organic ascension timeline. The choice is yours. Will you feed the illusion with your attention, with your fear, or will you disrupt it with your love? By consciously withdrawing your attention from fear-based narratives and putting your attention on love-based ones instead, you reclaim your divine right to create. You become an active participant in the evolution of humanity, crafting a new world built on the foundations of truth, compassion, and freedom. The parting note here: stay grounded in your sovereignty. Don't forget this message. Don't forget who you are. Come back and listen to it often. Commit daily to aligning your heart, your mind, and your spirit with the timeline that serves the highest good. Remember, the illusion only persists if we allow it. This is your wake-up call to use the illusion, to wield your awareness as a force of transformation. Dear visionary, you came here to play a vital role in this great unraveling of the old. Don't forget that. Don't forget who you are. Listen to this message again and again, and go forth boldly, knowing that you have everything to gain and nothing to lose. The world is waiting for your vision. Don't let fear smother it in its fragile infancy. Let's dream it. Let's build it. And if you like that this message is created by my own channeled wisdom and is a voice of me, not AI, please like and subscribe. Thank you.